In this video, I'm going to add two buttons to my main page, one on the left side at the top and one for the right side. And I will use these buttons to open our navigation, left side navigation panel and a right side panel, because at this moment we can kind of swipe left and right, but a user might not figure out they can do it. So we'll need to put a menu button here and a menu button here. So let's go to our main storyboard, find our main page view controller, main storyboard, find our main page view controller, open up right side utilities panel, and I'll go to attributes inspector, and under objects library, I will look for button. Okay, and the kind of button I'm looking for is called bar button item. I will take one for the left side and I will take one for the right side. Okay, and here I want to use icons. I have a couple of icons on my desktop here. So I have a couple of icons, one for left side and one for connectivity bar. So I've quickly picked up these icons just to use for this example. They're not the perfect ones, so I will copy and drag and drop them here. Copy items if needed, finish, and I will also organize them into a new group. Select all, new group from selection, and I'll call this group icons. Okay, so now I can go back to my main storyboard and I can select left side button, for example, and from here for bar item image I can select left side icon, and for the right side I can select connectivity bar. I don't have anything better for the right side panel, because at this moment it's empty. We don't know what's going to be, but depending on your mobile application design and functionality, this icon of course needs to make sense. At this moment, left side menu icon is the one, the proper one, but the right side is just random connectivity bar. Okay, so next that we want to do is we want to select, we want to open our main page in Assistant Editor. And I need to create a couple of outlets for this button. So I select the button, hold Control button on my keyboard, click, drag and drop. And I need to create an action. And I'll call it left side button tapped. Okay, and one for the right side. Select the button, hold Control button, drag and drop, and tap a connection type action, and type right side button tapped. Okay, so when the button is tapped, we need to toggle our left side navigation menu, or we need to toggle one of the sides of our navigation drawer. And again, because our navigation drawer is defined in our app delegate, we first need to import our app delegate. So I'll create a new variable, app delegate of type app delegate, and the way I create it is UI application shared application delegate as app delegate. Okay, I have my app delegate now, and when I have app delegate, I can access center. What's that? Drawer container, and I can toggle one of its sides, and I want to toggle drawer left side, right? That's going to be, yeah, where am I? Drawer controller. No, I think drawer side. Was it side? Drawer side. Yes, left side. Animated true, completion nil. Okay, so that's for the left side, and for the right side we're going to use exactly the same code. So we instantiate app delegate, and then for the toggle we're going to toggle right side. Okay, for the left side it is left, and for the right side it is right. So now let's run our example and see if it works. Okay, so we do have the two icons, and if I tap on the left button, it toggles left side, and if I tap on the right button, it toggles the right side, and I can still swipe it like this. Very good. But if I go to about, I don't have these buttons here, but I can still swipe for so if ideally every page in our application should have these buttons. So we need to go and create these two for about and for any other pages that we have in our application. But to keep our video short and continue with the rest of the videos, I will not do it. The procedure is exactly the same. We open up about page in main storyboard, we drag these two buttons, and then we add this functions left side and the right side button for the about page as well, and it will work exactly the same way. Okay, so we are done with this video. Let's continue.